Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve a device manager issue that says the device was not migrated due to partial or ambiguous match. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up Device Manager. If it's not already open, and you want to navigate over to the problematic driver here. So it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to pick a random one for this example. And I'm going to right click on the driver once I've expanded the category. And I'm going to select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. And then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select a manufacturer specific one if one is available. Otherwise, you can select a generic one and then select Next. And then hopefully at that point, once you've updated the driver, you will want to restart your computer regardless. So I'm going to actually select yes at this point to restart my device. And then hopefully at this point, your issue should have been resolved. There's a chance that your device is actually corrupted or may need to be replaced. I recommend trying to plug in that device into another computer or tablet or laptop if available and see if you're experiencing this issue with that device as well, in which case it could likely mean that peripheral device or whatever you're trying to connect to your computer is actually damaged or corrupted or needs to just be replaced or sent back. Hopefully it's still under warranty at that point. But regardless, I do hope that this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching. And I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.